Members of the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) from Mawsynram had met newspersons today to inform about the irregularities in the distribution of schemes in the Mawsynram Constituency. Speaking to reporters on the 11th of February 2023, one of the BJP leaders of Mawsynram, Diral Son Dkhar, informed that the MLA of the constituency, Hima Shangpliang, had included names of constituents in the distribution of schemes that did not actually reach them. Dkhar further informed that due to such irregularities and with their dissatisfaction of working with the party, many of the workers and supporters have decided to withdraw support and resign from their association with the BJP.
Kum ka jingtip ka jonga hadin ba omde ba ngale shaki hadin ba kitip ba hanga don ki kopi arti ai bun belawan bani kenduinga de na kaleng jonga ngalo pen ipet kani ka kerteng jong pi de ka shong api yo mo mar nga ngaju ong ekipet la pi yo wat om bam yo la pi yo ong banga ngam yo la pi la yo pat ong bai bela yo
am sakanungod ay gidan balong ni
menta kibun ba kibanga ki balawan bani kenduinga ki ong bangi ngim khemyo de na ka benta jongki ba kim parlong ready banwan hang ni tengam la banong ye se gila banwan kamadin gila banwan de kejingya lada ki kwa yang abang ngau nelam hangir ngan wan yelam yang ngan wan yelam ki lada ki kwa banwan dal hiru gila banwan dal di